Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to save an item on Temu. First, open the Temu app or website and make sure you are signed in to your account. Use the search bar or browse through categories until you find a product you like. If you want to buy the item right away, tap Add to Cart. The product will go directly into your shopping cart. You can open the cart anytime by tapping the cart icon at the top right of the screen. From there, you can update the quantity, remove items, or move to checkout when you are ready. If you are not ready to buy but want to keep the item for later, tap the heart icon next to the product. This will save it to your wish list. To see your saved items, go to your profile and select Wishlist. This is useful for comparing products or keeping track of items you may want in the future. You can also move items between the wish list and the cart. Simply open the product page again and choose the option that works best for you. That is how you save items on Temu. Thanks for watching.